If you are going on a vacation, then what you can do is you can utilize something called the vacation planner over here on the top right hand side. So if I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that it goes into a special mode where it'll help you plan out for vacation. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say I am planning for a 7-day trip to Manila. I don't have a high budget. Plan a trip schedule for me right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and say this, I'm planning for a 7-day trip to Manila and I don't have a high budget plan, and plan a trip for me right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, it sets this for information on the web right here, just like this, and then will give you out an answer. So you can see that it is still going around and doing some resets. And now it is starting to give out the information, as you can see right here. So you can see that it gives me flight information around over here as well, just like this, and then gives out the accommodations as well, the transportation as well. And now it has started creating the itinerary for me. So first of all, I need to arrive and rest on day 1 and explore the local area near your accommodation. On day 2, visit the historical wall city right here. Day 3, spend the day at Whittle Park right here. Take a stroll around Minondo, the world's oldest Chinatown, and try some street food. Day 5, relax at Baywalk and watch sunset. Day 6, visit the bustling market. And then day 7, pack and prepare for departure. If time allows, visit the cultural center of the Philippines. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. It goes around and plans out. It gives me flight information as well, and then highlights out the itinerary for me. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the vacation planner inside of Microsoft Copilot to plan for a vacation and then let it give you suggestions on basis of it as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.